DJI has introduced the DJI Neo, a 135-gram tiny selfie drone that is affordable and ideal for both novice and intermediate users. It is lightweight, simple to operate, and capable of recording 4K video. The DJI Avata 2, on the other hand, is a more capable FPV drone with a larger camera and improved performance designed for quick acrobatic flights. Both provide 4K video, but the Neo is more convenient and portable. Advanced control and immersive first-person experiences are the main features of the Avata 2. So which one ought you to purchase? Let's investigate. When it comes to durability, the Avata 2 is built to withstand a few crashes. Thanks to its sturdy design and rotor guards, it can handle minor collisions and keep flying. Plus, it has turtle mode, so even if it flips over during a crash, it can right itself and keep going. The DJI Neo, being lighter at just 135 grams, is perfect for indoor use and navigating tight spaces, but it doesn't have the same crash resilience as the Avata 2. Its propeller guards offer some protection, but it's not built for high-speed collisions like its FPV counterpart. Let's talk what most of us care about: the camera. The DJI Neo comes with a 12-megapixel sensor that can shoot up to 4K at 30 FPS. This is great for casual users who want sharp videos and quick content creation. It even comes with built-in digital stabilization and rock-steady technology, but don't expect super smooth footage, as it only has a single-axis gimbal. For everyday photography and social media content, the Neo does just fine. On the other hand, the DJI Avata 2 features a larger, more advanced camera, perfect for professional-level footage. It's designed to shoot incredibly smooth 4K video at 60 FPS. The Avata 2's FPV capabilities, combined with its advanced gimbal and horizon balancing tech, make it ideal for those who need cinematic shots or want to capture high-speed action. The Neo shines in terms of ease of use. You don't even need a controller to fly, it just uses voice commands or the DJI Fly app. But if you're looking for more control, the Fly More combo includes a controller for extended range and precision, making it comparable to more advanced models like the Mini 4 Pro. If you're a beginner, you'll love the simplicity of flying with voice commands or app control. The Neo can even take off from the palm of your hand. The Avata 2, on the other hand, is designed for FPV flight enthusiasts. You can control it with DJI's motion controller or pair it with Goggles 3 for a truly immersive experience. It's incredibly agile, allowing you to perform flips, rolls, and acrobatics with ease. Avata 2 is built to handle high-speed flights and quick maneuvers, making it perfect for thrill seekers. While the learning curve may be steeper, it's well worth it for those who want a more hands-on flying experience. Both drones offer decent flight times, but there's a clear difference. The DJI Neo gives you about 18 minutes per flight, which is solid for a drone in its price range. The Fly More combo even includes extra batteries and a charging hub, so you won't be left grounded for too long. The Avata 2 comes with slightly more flight time, up to 20 minutes, but this varies depending on how you fly. If you're performing aggressive FPV maneuvers, expect the battery to drain quicker. However, it also offers a Fly More combo option with multiple batteries, ensuring longer flight sessions for those intense aerial shots. Let's talk numbers. The DJI Neo is extremely affordable, starting at around $200 for the standard model and $350 for the Fly More combo. For beginners or casual users, it's hard to beat this price for a 4K capable drone with such ease of use and fun features like palm takeoff and voice commands. The Avata 2 is in a different league when it comes to pricing, at $999 for the basic model and up to $1,199 for the full combo. It's an investment. But for FPV enthusiasts or professionals looking for incredible control, agility, and advanced features, it's worth every penny. You're not just buying a drone, you're buying an immersive flying experience that the Neo simply can't offer. Both drones serve distinct purposes and cater to different types of users. The DJI Neo is the ultimate entry-level drone with its easy controls, lightweight build, and affordable price. If you're a beginner or someone who just wants a fun, easy-to-use drone for capturing selfies, vlogs, or casual aerial footage, the Neo is perfect for you. Meanwhile, the DJI Avata 2 is a powerhouse for those who want to dive deep into FPV flying and capture high-quality immersive footage. Whether you're a casual flyer or an FPV fanatic, DJI has you covered with these two fantastic drones. The question is, what kind of pilot do you want to be? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching our video. Like and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.